हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ प्रतीक्षा है। आज हम लोग संडे वीकेंड रिवीजन में उन सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को रिवाइज करेंगे जो हम लोगों ने इस वीक में लर्न किए हैं। तो हम लोगों ने इस वीक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1081 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1110 तक क्वेश्चन आंसर लर्न किए हैं। तो चलिए हम लोग इन सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को रिवाइज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1081, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ भारत अर्थ मूवर्स लिमिटेड? Then its answer is Bengaluru. Question number 1082, on which river is Mettur Dam situated? Then its answer is Kaveri River. Question number 1083, in which state of India is Tarapur Atomic Power Station situated? Then its answer is Maharashtra. Question number 1084, in which state of India is Kaga Atomic Power Station situated? Then its answer is Karnataka. Question number 1085, what is the year of Battle of Balakot? Then its answer is 1831. Question number 1086, which part of Indian Constitution is related to the official language? Then its answer is part 17. Question number 1087, which article of Indian Constitution is related to the official language of the Union? Then its answer is Article 343. Question number 1088, which article of Indian Constitution is related to the official language or languages of a state? Then its answer is Article 345. Question number 1089, which is the hardest substance of world? Then its answer is diamond. Question number 1090, in which state of India is Sanchi Stup situated? Then its answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 1091, who was the political guru of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Then its answer is चितरंजन दास। इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार फिर रिपीट कर देते हैं। Who was the political guru of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Then its answer is चितरंजन दास। Question number 1092, what is the full form of INCOIS? Then its answer is Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. Question number 1093, in which state of India is Lothal situated? Then its answer is Gujarat. Question number 1094, in which state of India is Dholabira situated? Then its answer is Gujarat. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? गुजरात। Question number 1095, to which religion is Kalpasutra related? Then its answer is Jainism. Question number 1096, who built Konark Sun Temple? Then its answer is Narsimha Deva first. Question number 1097, which state of India introduced the e-ration card service first? Then its answer is Delhi. Question number 1098, what is the other name of dry ice? Then its answer is solid carbon dioxide. Question number 1099, what is called the study of weather? What is called the study of weather? Then its answer is meteorology. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? meteorology. Question number 1100, what is called the study of lizards? Then its answer is zoology. Question number 1101, who defeated Harshvardhana? Then its answer is Pulakeshin II. Question number 1102, in which unit is the weight of diamond measured? In which unit is the weight of diamond measured? Then its answer is carat. Question number 1103, who was the author of the book Ashtadhyayi? Then its answer is Panini. Question number 1104, Who was the author of the book Geet Govind? Then its answer is Jaydev. Question number 1105. Which Muslim ruler prohibited the use of tobacco? Then its answer is Jahangir. Question number 1106. Which institution launched National Data and Analytics Platform? Which institution launched National Data and Analytics Platform? Then its answer is Niti Aayog. Question number 1107. Where is the headquarters of World Economic Forum? Then its answer is Cologne, Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 1108. When is International Day of Living Together in Peace celebrated? Then its answer is 16th of May. Question number 1109. To which game is Thomas Cup related? Then its answer is badminton. Question number 1110. In which state of India is Captain Roop Singh Stadium situated? In which state of India is Captain Roop Singh Stadium situated? Then its answer is ग्वालियर मध्य प्रदेश. क्या आंसर होगा इसका? ग्वालियर मध्य प्रदेश. थैंक यू वेरी मच.